Hi everybody, this is Aunt Cheryl, and today I want to do a sort of a unboxing, but it's also a first response review, you might say. I was contacted by this company called Easthills Outdoors to see if I wanted to check out a couple of their products, and I said yes, I would love to try it. The product that I chose to try would actually help us a great deal. As you all know, we walk everywhere, and a lot of times if we go to the store and we buy something that needs refrigeration, we don't always have that, and so we take a chance on a 2-hour walk home with something cold. Is not a good idea. So it's kind of hard for us. So what I did was I chose a product. It's a backpack cooler. And so I got this in the mail. I actually got this probably a week, but I let it set because it did come from Amazon. I didn't want to take any chances, so I let it set before I messed with it. And here it is. I actually opened the box, but I have not opened the package. Now, I've heard a couple of things about Easthills Outdoors. They seem to be a very good company, have some really good products, and I've looked at their products online, and they have a wide range of items. But like I said, this one was something that will be very handy for us. So let me just get the tape off of here. They taped it good. It seems to be quite large, hold quite a bit of stuff, and it would be really great for, like if you're going out for a day fishing or a day hike or something like that. But, okay, here is, if I can unfold it here. It all untangled, and I don't know how well you're going to be able to see it. Okay, here's the front of it. Okay, and it looks like, let me see here, there's a pocket here. Oh, this is a little here's a pocket down here. Let's see, I might have it, oh, I had it upside down. Okay, so here's a pocket here. Okay, it's a small pocket. And then the main pocket, sorry, I got my glasses on, it's hard to see with. And this is, I'm trying to get it to open up here the rest of the way. This is the main compartment. And it is good size. I mean, you could fit quite a bit in there. See that? That's a good size pocket there. Main pouch there. Okay. Then there's also a pouch on the front of it. And inside here, there's a mesh bag. They included that. It's a drawstring mesh bag. That'd be very handy. And then there is a zipper pocket. Let's see if I can hold this up here. There's a zipper pocket right here that is like a net. And it's good size. It's the length of my hand. It's a good size little pocket there. You could put your wallet or something like that inside there. Then it has the drawstring here. Okay, and then on the back here, let's look at the straps here. This is a nice bag. I'm pretty impressed with this. Okay, on the back here, you've got, it's got adjustments here. So, draw it up more onto your shoulders. It's very padded. What what's this here? Oh, it has another buckle here, if I can get this out. Okay, it has another buckle that you can actually draw it up more, it looks like, if you wanted to. See, all the strapping goes together. It all, you know, you can adjust it that way. It has a drawstring. It has this goes around your waist. It's very, very padded. These are, I would say, a good 1/2 inch padding on theirs. There's one for each shoulder, and then the small, you know, back, like in this part of your back. That is good. And the straps are padded. That is really nice. I'm impressed. I am very impressed. And what's this? There's another pocket. You could put a knife in there. Right there. See that? That goes on the strap. So, yeah, I'm really impressed with that. Very impressed. I will leave a link to this in my description box. I want to say it was about $37. And now I got it on Prime, so I didn't have to worry about shipping or none of that kind of stuff. But it was like $37, not bad. And it's very well, it looks to be very well insulated. We're not going to be able to try it out for a while to see how it actually works. We might test it just here at home to see, you know, put something cold in here and test it. But we're not going to be able to go out anywhere to do anything. We are going to go on lockdown. But yeah, I mean, this looks like a really great sturdy backpack. I'm impressed with it. Good solid bottom that will sit flat. I'm very impressed with this. So I'll leave the link. You can go check them out, and I will give an update on this. I'll do another after we used it a bit and stuff. I will do another video. I am very impressed with this. So you all have a nice day. Talk to you soon. Bye.